Hey guys, Simon here. Today's video is on the lat pull down. Really good exercise for the back and the biceps. So if we come over here to the lat pull down, we want to grip it at just outside shoulder width, just like with shoulder press. Taking a seat, chin up, pulling down, trying to keep the elbows underneath the bar and engaging the lats. Coming back up. If you want to, you can let the shoulders come up slightly so you get that stretch through the lats, and then start the movement again by pushing the shoulders down and then pulling your elbows down as well. One thing I find a lot of people do wrong is when they're pulling down, they roll their shoulders forwards like this, and actually that will pull the elbows back quite a lot. And you'll find what happens is that tends to take a lot of the tension out of the lats, the muscle, which the machine is actually named after. So make sure that when you pull down and pull the elbows down towards the ground and into the body. Cool. If you can as well, try to engage your abs, so squeezing them as you pull down, and you should get a really nice contraction through the abs, lats and biceps. Cool. See you next time, guys.